Imagine a perfectly built highway. Modern, wide, with multiple lanes in both directions. It connects all parts of the world. Along its entire length there are rest areas, services, charging stations, security units. Everything works flawlessly, and wherever you want to exit, a toll booth is waiting for you there, because maintaining such a system requires resources. And all of that already exists. It works, and almost 1 billion people use it every day. But now imagine that someone decides to build a completely new one right next to it. At first glance, sounds crazy, right? And yet, that decision has a deep logic, because the new road can be more efficient, safer, more decentralized. It can enable freer flow, without bottlenecks, without overpriced toll booths, and once it is built, once it shows what it can do, no one will want to use the old road anymore. Of course, this story is not about traffic. This is an allegory. In fact, we are talking about the blockchain world, about the way different networks communicate with each other, and about how the existing solutions have become expensive, slow, vulnerable, and often centralized. Mosaic Chain is a new blockchain network, and Mosaic Highway, that is the new highway that connects this network with others. Ethereum, Solana, BNB Chain, Polkadot, Avalanche, and many more, all connected through a system that works completely differently from the bridges so far. What is the difference? First, decentralization. Mosaic Highway does not use centralized bridge operators. Instead, it relies on thousands of relayer nodes, small, medium, and large, that practically anyone can run. Every 6 seconds, one of them gets rewarded. Such a system cannot be shut down, it cannot be corrupted, and it cannot be controlled from one place. Speed and resilience. Mosaic uses its own VPN infrastructure, which means that nodes do not have public IP addresses. This makes them invisible to attacks, censorship, and even direct targeting. It combines the security of the Tor network with the speed of a closed system. Third, earnings. While most bridges only enable token transfers, Mosaic Highway runs in the background an automated system of arbitrage between DEX and CEXs. That profit does not go to a central company, but directly to the relayers, those who run the system. Using Mosaic Highway bridges will be up to 100 times cheaper than current market solutions. When users can send assets faster, safer, and drastically cheaper, the choice will be obvious. At the core of everything is Mosaic Chain, a POS network built on the Substrate framework, interoperable with the Polkadot ecosystem, with its own validator OS and Explorer. Already in the test phase, it has more than 2,700 active validators, and by the Nakamoto coefficient, the most important metric of decentralization, it ranks convincingly first in the world. Mosaic does not try to be just another blockchain hoping to survive by luck. No. It is creating a whole new league, bringing a series of innovations and filling the gaps the market has been missing. True decentralization, resilience, flexibility, wide accessibility, and ease of use. Mosaic unites the crypto world and it's unstoppable. You may now ask, who is actually building Mosaic Highway? The answer is simple, the community. Mosaic Highway is not a project run by a single company or corporation. It is a decentralized network powered by thousands of independent participants. People like you. Anyone who wants can become part of this infrastructure, not as a user, but as a co-owner and operator of one of the nodes in the network. There are different entry levels, from lighter, more affordable packages for beginners to professional setups that run full infrastructure and VPN services. What they all have in common is this: everyone participates in the system's work and can achieve proportional benefits through a reward mechanism that runs every 6 seconds. In practice, this means that unlike traditional investments where you only watch passively, here you actively contribute to the system's operation. And the rewards you receive are not based on promises or forecasts, but on transparent protocol rules written in smart contracts that are publicly available to everyone. It is important to emphasize, Mosaic Highway is not an investment platform in the classic sense. It is an open-source infrastructure project, where anyone can join the network by taking on a role in its maintenance. So, if you believe in the future of decentralized systems, if you want to be more than a spectator and truly take part in change, Mosaic Highway is your chance to be part of it from the very beginning. This is not just another crypto hype. This is a new network, new infrastructure, a new beginning. I hope to see you on the highway.